Memory is an essential aspect of human life that enables us to store and retrieve information that we have learned or experienced. It helps us learn new things, recall past events, and make informed decisions. However, many people struggle with memory problems and find it challenging to remember things. If you are one of them, don't worry. You can improve your memory with some simple techniques and strategies. In this video, we will see how to improve your memory and remember things better. Pay attention. The first step to improving your memory is paying attention. Your brain needs to focus on the information you want to remember to encode it correctly. If you are distracted or not paying attention, your brain will not process the information correctly, and you will not be able to remember it later. To improve your attention, find a quiet place to study or learn. Avoid distractions like television, social media, or music. Make sure you are well rested, hydrated, and not hungry, as these factors can also affect your ability to focus. When studying, try to break the information into smaller chunks and focus on one piece of information at a time. Practice active recall. Active recall is the process of retrieving information from memory, which has been shown to improve memory retention. To practice active recall, try to recall information from memory instead of simply reading or listening to it. For example, if you are studying a foreign language, try to recall vocabulary words from memory instead of simply reading them over and over again. To improve your active recall, use flashcards or create quizzes for yourself. Ask a friend or family member to quiz you on the information you are trying to remember. By practicing active recall, you will strengthen the neural connections in your brain that are responsible for memory retention. Use mnemonics. Mnemonics are memory aids that help you remember information by associating it with something else. Mnemonics can be especially helpful for remembering lists, names, and numbers. One common mnemonic is the acronym, which is a word formed from the first letters of a list of words. For example, the acronym HOMES can be used to remember the names of the Great Lakes: Huron, Ontario, Michigan, Erie, Superior. Another mnemonic is the method of loci, which involves associating each item on a list with a specific location. To recall the items, you mentally walk through the locations and retrieve the information. Repeat information. Repeating information is a simple yet effective way to improve memory retention. When you repeat information, you reinforce the neural connections in your brain that are responsible for memory. The more you repeat the information, the more likely you are to remember it later. To repeat information effectively, use spaced repetition. Spaced repetition involves repeating the information at intervals, with increasing intervals between each repetition. For example, if you are trying to remember a phone number, repeat it immediately after hearing it, then again in a few minutes, then again in an hour, and so on. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for memory consolidation, the process by which memories are strengthened and stored in the brain. Lack of sleep can interfere with this process and make it difficult to remember information. To improve your memory, make sure you are getting enough sleep. Most adults need 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. If you have trouble sleeping, try to establish a regular sleep routine, avoid caffeine and alcohol before bedtime, and make your bedroom a comfortable and quiet place to sleep. Exercise regularly. Exercise has been shown to improve memory and cognitive function. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, which helps nourish brain cells and promote the growth of new neural connections. To improve your memory, try to incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This could include activities like walking, running, swimming, or cycling. Exercise can also help reduce stress and improve mood, both of which can have a positive impact on memory and cognitive function. Eat a healthy diet. A healthy diet is essential for overall health and can also have a positive impact on memory and cognitive function. Certain nutrients, such as omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, have been shown to improve memory and brain function. To improve your memory, aim for a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Include foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as fatty fish like salmon or tuna, flax seeds, and walnuts. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks, as these can have a negative impact on brain health. Reduce stress. Stress can have a negative impact on memory and cognitive function. When you are stressed, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that can interfere with memory consolidation. To reduce stress, try to incorporate relaxation techniques into your routine. This could include activities like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. Find ways to manage your workload and avoid overcommitting yourself. Make time for hobbies or activities that you enjoy, and spend time with friends and family. Stay mentally active. Just like your body needs exercise, your brain also needs stimulation to stay healthy and sharp. Staying mentally active can help improve memory and cognitive function. To stay mentally active, engage in activities that challenge your brain. This could include reading, doing puzzles, playing games, or learning a new skill or language. Try to vary the types of activities you engage in to keep your brain stimulated. Use memory techniques. There are several memory techniques that you can use to improve your memory. These techniques can be especially helpful for remembering names, faces, and other information. One technique is visualization, which involves creating a mental image to represent the information you want to remember. For example, to remember a person's name, you could create a mental image of them with their name written across their forehead. Another technique is association, which involves associating the information you want to remember with something else. For example, to remember a phone number, you could associate each number with a different object or image. So, improving your memory is a process that takes time and effort, but it is possible with the right strategies and techniques. By paying attention, practicing active recall, using mnemonics, repeating information, getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, eating a healthy diet, reducing stress, staying mentally active, and using memory techniques, you can improve your memory and remember things better. Remember, everyone's memory is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. Experiment with different techniques and strategies to find what works best for you. In summary, improving your memory is a multifaceted process that involves paying attention, practicing active recall, using mnemonics, repeating information, getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, eating a healthy diet, reducing stress, staying mentally active, and using memory techniques. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can improve your memory and cognitive function, and enjoy the benefits of a sharper mind. Please hit the like button if you know something new today. And share this video to your friends and family in case you think that this video have some useful information. And support us by subscribe this channel and hit bell icon to get more useful videos. Thank you and see you in the next video. Have a great day.